Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe and happy. Let us continue with the spices of India. So as you know, our country, the land of spices. Without spices, we don't prepare any food, isn't it? So world over, like Mesopotamia, China, Sumeria, Egypt and Arabia, along with perfumes and textiles, India's trade played a very important part in spices. So as far as 7,000 years ago, that is before Greek and Roman civilizations, Indian epics and in writings dating back to the Roman Empire, they talk about the cloves. So it was very important. Thousands of years ago, the great masters of Ayurveda, they have made research that time itself in these spices, and they have used it for cooking and medicinal purposes. What are those spices in the world? Why are they wanted so badly? Cardamom, cloves, ginger, maize and nutmeg were some of the other spices that left Indian shores to flavor the world's kitchen. That is, they took it from India throughout the world. Spices were born in India. So using spices in cooking was a long history. That is nearly 52,000 years ago, it goes back. So though we cannot know for sure how men came to use spices, it is quite possible that it was by chance. Maybe by chance they have started using it. However, spices have played a vital role in our food now for a long time. In earlier centuries, spices were not easily available and were very expensive. So spice traders became rich. Pepper, cinnamon, now it is easily available at least. But in those days it was very costly. It cost a fortune. That means it was very costly. However, while they seem to have lost their glory and value, they will never lose their place in the kitchen, especially in an Indian one. So, in India, we use a lot of spices in our food. So, first one, the black pepper. When we see the black pepper, it is also known as black gold, was the most prized spice traded from the Kerala coast. Indians have been using black pepper for a very long time. The medicinal purposes now, even in the COVID time, pepper is very important. It plays a great role, isn't it? So farmers began growing it around 5,000 years ago, and in those days itself they found out the medicinal value, and people were after this spice, great spice, the black gold, that is the black pepper. Then the trade soon spread to Greece, Rome, Europe and China, and also became popular in the Islamic Empire. Recipes from rich Roman households show the value of the spice in ancient Rome. That is, the Romans used a lot. They through the ship, 120 ships per year they used to take from Egypt to trade with India and bring back enormous quantities of pepper. Next we move on to cinnamon. Indians have been using cinnamon for a very long time. The Chinese wrote about it in 2700 BC. Cinnamon not only adds great flavor to food, but also helps to preserve it. So people from other parts of the world appreciated the fragrance. They wanted it too and were willing to pay a good price for it. The Greeks, Romans and Egyptians bought cinnamon from India. The Venetians grew rich by levying tax on cinnamon that was brought from India to Europe and the Mediterranean. Spices are now available even in supermarkets or grocery shops. But some things have remained the same through the centuries. The place that has remained the same, that is in the heart of the spices trade, that is our India, the pioneer in spices.